Hey yo, so I'm getting some questions about how it is that I get so many vegetables and vitamins in my diet. You do this, you do some of this, you Vitamix that shit. Let's take a quick look. First, you find anything green. I don't even know what some of these are called. Got some of this green shit here. What is that, okra? I don't even know. Throw that in there. Get some celery. You stick the celery in the Vitamix. Maybe break it so the lid fits. A little broccoli. What else do we got? Snap peas. Throw that shit in there. What is this? This is kale, I think. I think that's kale. Why would you? It's not even edible. Stuff that down there. What else we got? Spinach. Grab yourself a fat handful of spinach. And stuff that. We'll make more in there later. Grab a couple apples. You know what? I'm gonna need 2 hands to take the stems out of these apples. Okay, we got the stems out. Probably don't need to do that, but I like to take the stems off. What else do I have around the house? Throw this banana. Running out of space. This avocado here is getting kind of squishy, so let's do that. The best part of any avocado is doing that, right? Stabbing that shit. Alright, we'll throw some of that in here. Alright, now we got the avocado in there. Throw in, say, an orange for good measure. I take the peel off so it's not too bitter. Bitter like Tommy's stepfather. Next thing, need precisely 1.2 metric handfuls of ice. I'll lid that. Here's the important part. You gotta use the tamper. Set that to delicious. That's the delicious setting there. Then you jack it like a 13-year-old boy. Throw the rest of this in here. All right. Now we get some of them vitamins. You go down to the juice place, you get this smoothie with all the additives that we put in. That's a $40, $50 smoothie, probably maybe 60 bucks. Throw that shit in a cup. Drinkable.